Good day, everyone. I am Janet Niveda. I've completed my MSc Biotechnology from Women's Christian College, Chennai. I had attended the 10 days hands-on training workshop on molecular modeling conducted by the BDG LifeSciences. It covered homology modeling, molecular docking, and MD simulations. Here are a few snips of the sessions. These are the MD simulations using VMD and NAMD. We also prepared input and output files for analysis and also obtain various plots analyzing the kinetic energy, the potential energy, the temperature, RMSD, etc. And we also analyze the results in Excel. We also perform protein ligand docking using Autodoc Vena for both single and multi-ligand, and analyze using three different visualizing tools, that is Autodoc Vena, PyMol, and Discovery Studio. And you were able to observe the various amino acid interactions between the ligand and the protein. Finally, we were taught on the homology modeling, where we develop model structures from target sequences using similar sequences as templates by BLAST and analyzed using Modeler and Swiss PDV viewer and concluded the best structure model using Ramachandra plot. It was an enjoyable and informative course. Presentation style was good, explanation was crystal clear, and all our queries were answered. I obtained an in depth knowledge on all the tools. I thank BDG Life Sciences for this wonderful workshop.
Hello everyone, I am Uzma Mir and I am pursuing my MSc in Presidency University, Kolkata. I did not have any kind of experience in computational biology, so recently I have found a 10-day session on molecular modeling presented by BDG LifeSciences. So I had registered myself for this session and it was basically about molecular dynamics and stimulation, molecular docking, and homology modeling. So this 10-day session is really very helpful, and in the first part we learned about the molecular stimulation by using the NAMD and VMD softwares, and also learned how to visualize all these molecules in VMD softwares. And in second part, we learned about the protein and ligand docking by using PyMol and Autodoc Vena softwares. Ma'am taught us about both the single molecular docking and multi-docking. So this is the PyMol by which we can also visualize the protein and ligand docking, and this is Autodoc Vena. So after that, in the third part, we learned about the homology modeling by using the modeler software and the Swiss PDB viewer. So in this software, we can visualize the molecule, and it was really a very good session. It was amazing actually. I have learned a lot, and I want to thank the BDG Life Sciences, and my special thanks to Sharvari ma'am. She was our trainer and she was really very wonderful and humble trainer. Thank you ma'am, and thank you BTG Life Sciences.
Hello everyone, my name is Adrija Dinya and I'm currently pursuing my BTech MTech dual degree from KIT University. I have recently taken up this course in Artificial Intelligence and Drug Discovery, and it was a splendid, a big platform for me as I was a new uh, person to this new field. But in these 4 days I learned a lot and I hope to use this in the near future. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ashima Khanna. I'm currently pursuing BE in biotechnology. So I took this BDG Bioinformatics Basic to Advanced online workshop training, and it turned out to be really amazing. Sarvani ma'am taught us this course, and she made it really simple for us to understand each of the tools. We did a hands-on training for each and every tool. She explained it very well with different examples. She gave proper time to each and every student to perform the task, complete it, understand it very well. So it was a really interactive class. It wasn't at all a theoretical program. We did a lot, many examples, and at the end we were given a short project which helped us revise all the tools which we learned in 10 days. It was really an amazing experience. I would really recommend everyone to try out this bioinformatics course. Thank you.